more on si Corinne talaga. Talaga nag-ayos ng mga details, no? Talagang talaga. Thankful ako kay Corinne for being there.
Thank you for today. Not only today, but the entire journey ng friendship natin together. Naiiyak. Bakit naiiyak?
But I'm too shy. I can't fall asleep without your arms around me.
Let's follow the
Rock stars smashing all my guitars. One day I will charge you for breaking my
Joby!
sport car. Driving fast, you go far. When I'm sitting by you, we get high.
Ang cute niyo!
My loves, I vow to love you the way Christ teaches us to love, patiently, faithfully, and unconditionally. I promise to protect your heart, support your dreams, and choose you every day.
Kahit saan, kahit kailan, kahit anong bagyo pa man ang dumaan, ikaw pa rin pupuntahan. Kailan pa man, at kahit madalas na tayong di
Salamat sa inyo, salamat. Kasi nandito kayo for saying yes to be part of my team Groom. Kasi talagang kayo yung mga nakasama ko na mga kapatid na talagang naging malaking part ng buhay ko at buhay namin ni Corinne. So maraming salamat sa inyo.
baguhin man ng libo-libong buwan.
My love, this is my gift. Where this necklace is designed as a sign of my commitment, protection, and care. Thank you for this necklace. It's a heart. It's a intertwined heart. Symbol of love. Love it. Thank you, my love. See you later.
Ikaw ang uuwian, at kung umabot man sa dulo,
Anak, dahil bubuo na siya ng pamilya, nawa ay mahalin niya ng lubos ang kanyang magiging partner, magiging asawa.
So nagpapasalamat ako for the gift of life and for lahat ng sacrifices and for the efforts na ibinigay sa akin.
RJ, my loves, and now my husband, you are my answered prayer. My plan is to be the cool at mayamang tita, Nina, but God has a different plan. And that is to be married to the most genuine, kind, passionate, and handsome man.
ikaw lang ang uuwian.
Butik na ko rin ang iyong gown.
That's part of growing up.
Masaya ako na kita ko na ngayon siya na nakaganito. Parang na-imagine ko na may kinasal.
Mas payat lang. Mas sexy. Thank you for always being there for us, for all the support, for all the wisdom, for all the guidance na patuloy nyo binibigay sa amin ni Ozzy until now.
Aaring mawala nang walang papala.
RJ, my loves, here's to the start of our time together. Be a reminder that my love for you is timeless. I love you. See you later. Huwag ka naman malilate. Hindi na ako nalilate.
Ikaw ang kumpas.
Love gives its all and still has more. Huwag kayong matakot magbigay ng sarili. Pag binigay mo ang sarili mo, hindi ka nawawalan. That's the beauty and that's the mystery of love.
Yes, Heavenly Father, salamat sa araw na to. Salamat sa special day, Panginoon, na binigay mo sa amin, Corinne. Sobrang nagpapasalamat kami from the day na nagkakilala kami, Panginoon.
Love you. See you later. Yes. Mama.
I love you.
Ikaw ang hantungan.
I will make this vow with reverence and gratitude. Thank you for entrusting me with Corinne's heart.
Our relationship is a roller coaster ride. It has its ups and downs, and we've been challenged by our differences. But I know mas pinagtitibay tayo ng panahon at mas magiging matatag pa once we start our journey in this new chapter of our lives.
Di naman ay planong ako'y
Corinne, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si RJ na iyong pangmamahali at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
RJ, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Corinne na iyong pangmamahali at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Ikaw ang kumpas pag naliligaw. Ikaw ang kulay sa langit na bughaw. Sa bawat bagyo na dumadayo, ikaw ang kanlungan na kailangan ko. Kahit hindi mo alam, ilang beses mo akong niligtas. Ikaw ang hantungan at aking wakas.
With Him as our foundation, I knew our love will stand firm, our home will be filled with grace, and our future will be blessed. I love you.
Thank you, my loves, for making my dream come true. Kasi ang pangarap ko pala talaga ay hindi maging isang cool at mayamang tita, kundi maging isang asawa at maging isang ina. I will choose you always. I love you.
Ikaw yung kumpas nung naliligaw. Ikaw ang kulay sa langit na bugaw. Sa bawat bagyo na dumayo, ikaw ang kanlungan na nahanap ko. Kahit nung di mo alam, ilang beses mo akong
RJ, you may kiss the bride.
Ikaw ang hantungan